So here we have got our laptop table, and this area can be used for keeping your laptop, your notebooks or anything so that you can use it, and this area you can use for keeping your tablets or your mobile phones. Now I'm just going to get mine to show you. Yeah, so here you can keep your tablets or mobile phone, as I said, and you can view whatever's there on the screen without making it fall. And you know why I'm happy with this laptop table, is that it's full and full of storage. You can keep so many things in so many places of this table. Now, coming to the side, you can see a little circular disc. In this area, you can keep your water bottle or a little cup that fits into that place, and whenever you're thirsty, just take this out, drink some water or anything that's there in that container and keep it back. It has a little tiny hole, but not obviously the cup or the bottle won't fit through that hole. And over here, if you're not keeping your tablet or your mobile phone, you can keep some pens or something. And this this is a tiny hole here, so you can keep a pencil standing or a pen standing. See, like that. You can keep it, and when required, you can take out the pen, do the necessary work, and keep it even in the place where we kept our mobile and tablet. Now to the back of the table, you can see that there is a white color rectangular box. Now I was also confused what this box actually is, but turns out it is the drawer, and this is just the back side of the drawer. Now if I flip it back up, and you will be able to see that the drawer is open, and you can keep all your items that you want, like your pens, pencils, stationery, or electronic supplies, and you can easily access it whenever you need it to. And I am able to keep so many things. Just make sure that the items are fitting inside, and then you can access it whenever required, whenever you want. And now I'm going to close the drawer. Next, over here, as I said, there's a lot of area to work, and over here, not just that it becomes a place for holding your bottle or your cup, it's also a place for extra storage for things that fit in that circular disc. So I'm able to keep this little flower piece over here. Instead of the bottle, you can also keep this sort of things inside and enjoy. The major feature of this table that is that it is even foldable and portable, which means you can fold the table and then carry it to whichever place you want to.